Hey guys, what's up? It's Courtney21 here. Today I'm going to be showing you Python for the absolute beginner. Um, I know before I started learning Python, I bought a couple books, which helped a lot of me teaching me, because I couldn't find anything on YouTube of how to do it that goes in depth. So that's why I'm going to be showing you guys, because I'm going to be going more in depth as I go along, and then know more and more tutorials. So as if you guys can bear with me, because I am still kind of new at it. But also, sorry for the Bandicam watermark. I will be buying Bandicam soon. But anyway, I already have Python installed. So for you guys that don't have Python installed, go ahead and go to the Python's website and click download the latest version. Um, but for today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to use the print statement and some math with the print statement. For the next tutorial I'll be doing after this, I will be showing you math and variables. Don't worry, the math is nothing complicated. I mean, the computer does it for you, so just bear with me and hope you guys learn something. Again, this is for beginners, but later on it'll give me more advanced. But anyway, let's start. As you can see, I got two windows open. This one right here is called the idle. This one here with the arrows is called interactive mode for you guys that don't know. Okay, I'll explain the two differences as I go here in a second. Okay, what we're going to do is the print statement. Okay, the print statement, I don't know if you guys watched some videos before, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. It just prints whatever you put in the parentheses, but I'll explain that here in a sec. So you go print, and then for the newer versions of Python, you have to put the brackets around before you put the quotations. Okay, so whatever you put in those quotations is going to print on the screen. So I'll follow as everybody else does. Hello world. If I can spell right today. Okay, and then you're going to put the quotations at the end, and then the bracket. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something. If I hit enter, nothing happens, alright? Well, that's because it's an idle. I didn't click. I'll show you in a second. I go to interactive mode, do the same thing, print, and then hello world, and then click enter, or hit enter, sorry, and it's going to print hello world to the screen, like I explained. I don't know how much more in depth I can get on hello world, but anyway, on the print statement, there's going to be more and more things using the print statement, not always printing print, but I'll go along as we go into more depth videos. Okay, for the run this in the idle, you just go click run and run module. But since mine's already saved, or should be saved, nope, you gotta save it, and then you name it whatever, and I'll put mine hello world. And then you just put at the end .py. Well, the .py shows that it's a Python document. Save it wherever, and then it's saved. Now it's going to run over here, hello world. So that's basically how you run in that. Okay, now if I want to put more than just hello world, do the same thing, print, and I'll show you guys how to do multiple line statements instead of doing multiple print statements later on. Probably in the next tutorial along with the variables. But for now, you just go print the same thing, and then put my name if you guys want, or you can put whatever you guys want, but just as an example, my name is Alex. And then go ahead and click run. And then you see over here, hello world, my name is Alex. And you can do the same thing in this, it's just going to run, but it's going to show your code up here instead of over here. So it's the same difference. Okay, now if I want to repeat this, so for some reason, if you want to just repeat it instead of putting it, several times, you just go like this. Now, if I want to put, let's just say I want to repeat, my name is Alex. Okay, I'll show you how to do more than just that later on, but for now, I'll just keep it simple and go, my name is Alex. That, you gotta put the parentheses around it, and then you go to the multiplication sign, which is above the 8, and then that, I'll explain that in the next tutorial with math. For now, just an example. And then times, let's say 5 times with the brackets around it, and then you click run. Okay, and then it's going to repeat my name is Alex and so forth 5 times. Well, that's what that does with the print statement. That's good for whatever you need. If you need to repeat something, or basically whatever you want. I'll explain that more in the math. But that's what it does. So that's it, I think, for this tutorial. My next tutorial, I'm going to use the print statement with variables in the math. So it's going to get more and more complicated. I just wanted to keep it short and simple and introduce you guys to basically who I am for doing Python and so forth, to get you guys going with this. If you guys have any more questions, go ahead and feel free to email me, or not email me, but message me on my YouTube. Feel free to subscribe. And then if you guys got any more comments of how I can make my videos better, anything like that, anything I'm doing wrong, go ahead and tell me if you guys know. I'm open to anything. But for now, I'm Courtney21, and that's it for now.